Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Jedediah Bila. Rachel Campos Duffy has signed on to co-host the weekend edition of the Fox News morning show, Fox and Friends, replacing Jedediah Bila. The cable news channel announced Monday that Campos Duffy, 49, will join the program June 12 alongside co-hosts Pete Hegseth and Will Kane.
Make your mark, take our lead.
According to Celebrity Net Worth, Rachel has a net worth of $500,000. The Arizona native is married to former Representative Sean Duffy, who in a 2009 wealth disclosure was revealed to be one of the poorest members of Congress.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.